No, I send this to Grandpa and Grandma, and they can just click on the link and open it. No, like after I send it. But it's way easier than like if I did it on my video camera, because then I'd have to like put it onto the computer and then from the computer. With this, you can put it right on YouTube then. And then I just email them the link. That way they don't have to try to type it in. Yeah. Yeah, and then Drew and Dad watched it last night. Did you hear that Zach got skunked on his ice fishing trip? Good job, Nathan. Stay with it. Good job, bud.
Good job, Bart.
Yeah. So we'll do post-game interviews with you. Or you can do the commentary right now. It's too easy. Miss those, dude. Go, Parker! Yeah. Oh, I love this thing. Joe, Parker! Joe, Park! Team's a little bit easier than we had Lidgerwood on Monday or Tuesday. Now it's a little tougher.
Oh, where's the camera?
Hi!